Many prefabricated component factories are wondering whether shuttering magnet with diminished magnetism can be re-magnetized. Today experiments will reveal the answer to you. In shuttering magnet, the magnetic assembly plays a crucial role, so today's experiment is the magnetic assembly. We have prepared two identical magnetic assemblies with a suction force of 400 kg. One will undergo a magnetization process, while the other will remain untreated as air control. Let us begin. Put the magnetic assembly into magnetizing equipment. Okay, the magnetization is finished. Now it is time to test the specific suction force. First, let us test the assembly that has just been magnetized. The result is out. The specific suction force of this assembly is only 250 kg. Next, let us test the assembly that without any treat. The result is out. The specific suction force of this assembly is 468 kg. That's quite surprising. Regarding the question mentioned at the beginning, can shuttering magnet with diminished magnetism be re-magnetized? We trust you have already know the answer. While a new question is come out, why is the suction force of the magnetized magnetic assembly actually smaller than the untreated one? To answer this question, first we need to know that a magnetic assembly is not a single large magnet, but a component composed of many small magnet blocks and highly magnetically conductive iron blocks. When magnet and iron blocks are placed together, the magnet's magnetic field aligns the iron block's internal magnetic domains from a disorganized state. This makes the iron block magnetically macroscopically. When the direction of the magnetic field inside the iron block matches the external magnetic field, the domains expand, and the overall attractive force increases. However, during the magnetization process of magnetic assembly, the direction of the magnetic field inside conflicts with the external. This causes the domains to shrink, weakening the overall attractive force. That is why the attractive force decreases instead after magnetization. Well, someone might say, why not take the demagnetized magnet out of the magnetic assembly, magnetize it separately, so the above situation won't happen at all? Right, it is true, but also you will face some new problem. Magnets that have been used for a long time are usually very brittle and prone to breaking during disassembly. Additionally, the disassembly process is extremely cumbersome and time-consuming, requiring not only professional operation, but also incurring high costs. When reassembling, the magnets must be arranged in a specific pattern. Any mistake will cause a sharp drop in attractive force. Those time and cost spent on all this far exceed the cost of magnetization, and even enough to buy an entirely new shuttering magnet. In short, it works in theory, but its practicality hinges on the total costs.